This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Town Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Are you looking for a condo but don't want to sacrifice space? This is it. With 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, amazing living space, and a garage, this condo has the space of a detached home without the maintenance. You'll be surprised and impressed by the large size of the living room as soon as you step through the foyer. Leading to the equally spacious dining room, the 2 rooms together are open and bright. A delightful sunroom provides another enjoyable living space. The vintage kitchen includes steel cabinets for a cute retro feel. Additional desirable features include sizable bedrooms, an ensuite bathroom, washer, dryer, generous closet space, and hardwood floors. Don't forget the garage, a rare find with a condo. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.